It's so beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow. It's it's G plus two story project consists of modern residential 3 BHK spaces with all basic amenities. Let me show you the internal amenities and dimension of the house. This is the kitchen, and this is the bedroom number one. This is the bedroom number two, and this is the bedroom number three. The dimension of this kitchen is 7 feet 1 inches by 9 feet 2 inches. And the bedroom number 1 dimension is 16 feet 3 inches by 13 feet 2 inches. Another bedroom is similar as first one. Now the dimension is little change for this bedroom. The dimension is 15 feet 11 inches by 12 feet 0 inches. And this is the staircase area. Inside of this house, there is a washroom, toilet, and everything is provided with basic amenities. Now I'm showing you the external surfaces of the house is such like that. Now I'm showing you the first floor plan is similar as ground floor plan, right? Now you can visualize the side view of this house is the window sizes. The size is provided 5 feet in length and width is 5 feet. And for the veranda and balcony, the window has provided 8 feet by 5 feet. And this is the side window for balcony 5 feet by 2 feet. I'm showing you another side view. The window size has provided same for the staircase and for the bedrooms as well. Now I'm showing you you will have this visuals from the corner view. You will have this balcony, and this is the front elevation of the house. Now I'm showing you the top floor plan, means second floor plan. There are two bedrooms with having crystal clear windows. The size of the windows is 8 feet by 5 feet, and the uh, door is 3 feet 6 inches by 8 feet, right? Now I'm showing you the backside balcony provide for roadside visuals, and the width of this balcony has provided 4 feet so that the habitant and the member of the house can easily stand and can watch the road visuals. Now I'm showing you the parapet design with uh, tree color as the pride of the nation. The name of the owner is Mr. Nawab Jagir Basti Bhagbaisa. Now it's time to show you that who has designed and drawn Mr. Abushad Jahangir. So thanks for watching. If you loved watching this video, please share it to everybody. Thank you. And this is Abushad signing off. Bye bye.